Here I've got locked BLUBOO Xtouch. As you can see, I'm not able to unlock it. And let me show you how to bypass the protection on the following device. So at first you have to switch off your phone by tapping on power key. Just hold it for about 3 seconds and then click on power off. Once it's shut down, click on power key and volume down key, volume up key, and hold them all together until you see the BLUBOO logo. And now you just have to wait, and within a few seconds you will notice the Android logo. That's it. And now you have to hold power key and click once on volume up key. And now you're in secret menu in the recovery mode, from which you will be able to perform a hard reset to bypass the protection on your device. So here you can navigate by using volume up and volume down keys, and you can select each option by tapping on power key. So from this list you have to select wipe data, which is factory reset, and tap on power key to confirm. Now you have to scroll down to go down and pick yes, because it will delete all user data. And now you just have to wait. And that's it. As you can see, the data wipe complete. So we have to select reboot system now, the first option. Just click over here on power key and wait until your device is back in the standard mode. It may take a while because your device will wipe all the data from itself, like all the personal data of yours and also the password, passcodes, patterns, all the others. And that's it. As you can see, now you can simply unlock your device and set it up as a new one. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.